In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up PC photos to Google Photos. First, let's begin by opening Google Photos in your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome or Firefox. Simply type in the URL for Google Photos, which is photos.google.com, and hit enter. Once the page loads, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface. This is where all your photos will be organized. By accessing Google Photos through your browser, you ensure that you are using the latest version of the application. This is important as it can help avoid compatibility issues later on. Next, look for the Create button in the top right corner of the screen. This button is often represented with a plus sign, which indicates adding new content. When you click on Create, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will find the option to add photos, labeled as plus add. Selecting this option is your first step toward backing up your photos. This action opens up a pathway to further options. You are now ready to choose how you would like to back up your images. From there, select the option labeled Backup Folders. This choice allows you to back up entire folders from your PC rather than individual images. It simplifies the process significantly. When you select this option, a new window will pop up, guiding you to choose the folders that contain your precious photos. This step is essential because it saves time and effort, especially if you have multiple images stored in various folders. Now, choose the folder or folders on your PC that contain your photos. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer. You can select one or more folders based on your needs. Once you've highlighted your desired folders, you will be ready to proceed. This action is crucial because it ensures that all the images you want to back up are included in the upload. After that, if prompted, grant permission for Google Photos to access your selected folders. This permission is necessary for the backup process to work smoothly. You might see a pop-up asking for your consent to allow Google Photos to access your files. By allowing this, you ensure that the application can upload your images without any interruptions. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the permission has been granted, which is reassuring. With that ready, keep the Google Photos tab or web app open while your photos upload automatically. This step is vital because closing the tab can halt the upload process. As your photos upload, you will see a progress indicator on your screen which shows how many photos have been backed up successfully. This visual feedback helps you stay informed about the status of your upload. Now, let's explore the alternative method using Google Drive for Desktop. Begin by installing and opening the Google Drive for Desktop application. This software can be downloaded from the Google Drive website. Once installed, open the application and sign into your Google account. This integration allows you to manage your files seamlessly across platforms. Signing in is crucial to ensuring that your files are synced with your Google account. Next, navigate to Preferences, and then select the option to Add Folder. This section allows you to specify which folders you want to back up to Google Photos. By adding folders, you are organizing your backup process. This step ensures that you maintain control over what gets uploaded and what stays local to your PC. Select the folder you want to back up and check the box labeled Backup to Google Photos. This step ensures that the images in your selected folder are included in your Google Photos library. Checking this box is essential. It indicates your intention to back up those files specifically. After you have made your selection, the application will automatically recognize this setting. Finally, click Save to confirm your settings. This action solidifies your choices and begins the backup process. You will receive a confirmation that your settings have been saved. This reassurance is important because it confirms that your photos will soon be backed up to Google Photos. If you prefer to upload photos manually, let's cover how to do that on both Windows and Mac. Start by opening Google Photos in your web browser again. Once you are on the home page, look for the Create button once more. Click on Create and Add Photos, then select Import Photos. This manual method gives you the flexibility to choose specific images rather than entire folders. Next, select the photos you want to upload from your computer. You will see a File Explorer window where you can navigate through your files. When you have selected the images, click Open. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop photos directly into Google Photos. This quick upload method is user-friendly and allows for a seamless way to back up your images. By following these steps, you can easily back up your PC photos to Google Photos. Remember, keeping your photos organized and backed up is crucial for preserving your memories. Thank you for watching, and happy backing up.